Hi, welcome back. You're watching Trading Hour. The focus now shifts to the commodity space. Manisha is here with us to talk about, well, what's moving. Manisha, morning.
Morning, Sumara. Thank you so much for that. Well, you know what? I'm looking at commodities which have seen a decline for the month of September, for the quarter that is September, and until now, from January to now, we have seen a constant decline coming in for many of these commodities. Well, the strength in US dollar, which is trading at yet another 20-year highs, clearly has been one of the major reasons that you have seen many of these dollar-denominated commodities decline. And the other has been the aggressive rate hikes, which have fueled the concerns of recession going forward. So even as supplies in many of these commodities are not enough, the demand is something that continues to decline, and that's weighing on many of these commodities. This year also has been the one that you have seen all-time highs, multi-year highs in many of those commodities, but from there it has been a constant decline. So that's exactly what I'm taking you through right now on the highs of 2022 and the kind of decline that we are working with right now. So after hitting silver at almost $27, 33% of a decline is what we are working with right now. And in case of gold prices, $450 of a decline, or nearly 20% off is how we are trading. So it's a bear territory for both of those precious metals. It doesn't get better when you look at energy markets as well. So from $123 to nearly $77 a barrel is how crude is trading right now. And natural gas has seen a decline from $10 to nearly $7 right now, which is a 30% of a cut there as well. Take a look at the base metal prices, which have seen sharper cuts coming in. Actually, copper prices hit an all-time high of $10,800. From those kind of highs, we're trading at $7,200. In case of dollar terms, from 5.02 to 3.3. So it has been a 35% of a cut there as well. Iron ore, zinc, nickel, we have seen anywhere between 35 to 47% of a cut coming in for all of these metal prices. Also, there are supply concerns, especially in zinc. Nickel, we've seen a high of almost $1 lakh. That doesn't get registered on LME, by the way. These are soft commodities, where as well the inflation fears seem to be declining now. So for cotton, we've seen 43% off. Palm oil prices have declined almost to half right now, and rubber prices are down by 27% as well. These are all the declines from 2022 highs, and that's pretty much the case as we move ahead as well. So you have edible oil prices. Soybean, for one, is 22% down. Wheat, clearly, there have been some concerns in the international markets, is the reason it has fallen less than what others have done. Same is the case with rice. Remember, for Indian markets as well, we are looking at lower paddy sowing, lower availability of rice, and is the reason the global markets have been reacting, and just about 4% of a decline. So I think when you look at all the commodities, rice perhaps is the one that has declined the least, and maximum major decline really coming in for the industrial metals right now.
Thank you very much for that.